Mobile is changing the way we work and consume information. We are hardly offline anymore, meaning users need to access their data to make decisions faster based on the insights on the fly. In other words, data needs to be consumed by our mobile devices in such a way that information can be easily absorbed. Hello everyone. My name is Namrita, Director of Product Development at TakeYouGo, and today we're going to talk about the significance of business intelligence in mobile applications. Imagine an app that understands its users, their behavior patterns, dislikes, choices, preferences, and adapts itself to them. For example, a news application shutting off notifications when somebody is working on a laptop. Or imagine a user entering a shopping mall, visiting the showroom of his favorite brand and suddenly receives a notification of 50% discount exclusively for him. This is no more a fantasy but a reality, and it has been made possible using business intelligence in mobile applications. There are a variety of devices that can be used to display and actively play with the information, like smartphones, tablets, wearables. All these are very common these days. The significant difference between all these devices is obviously the size of the screen, which affects the mobile BI. Although BI applications theoretically can run on both tablets and smartphones, but they are not equally well suited for all kind of BI solutions available. There are various ways content can be displayed on a mobile device. The most common that we see in a marketplaces are provision of a PDF report in a mobile device, a native application, a HTML5 website, a connection of a native application with a HTML5 website in a form of a hybrid application. Despite all the good things mobile BI solutions brings in, organizations are also exposed to a number of challenges in process to develop a successful product. Like, first, we must consider usability. Displaying any familiar content on a mobile environment does not mean that it can be used intuitively. Hence, app developers has to put a lot of focus while designing a mobile BI solution to ensure the app's acceptance, especially in the operational scenarios where workers are not familiar with the BI solution. Secondly, while developing a mobile BI solution, security and privacy may pose problems. Hence, we have to implement a strong, secure configuration to protect the sensitive business and user data. Thirdly, and most common these days, mobile devices can be easily hacked, lost, or stolen. Hence, using mobile BI may consequently put the sensitive information at a greater reach of getting breached. Lastly, due to the limited screen size of the mobile device, designing any BI solution creates a lot of challenges for the developers as every device and every browser works differently. In our experience, the most successful mobile deployments are those where the mobile strategy is already defined and the needs of the mobile workforce are carefully addressed with the mobile application. Simply copying a web dashboard to a mobile environment may work for some, but for most, it is not a successful approach. Before getting yourself invested in any BI solution, you must consider: first, determine the requirements as per mobile usage scenarios, like functionality, level of interaction with the system. Secondly, define a mobile strategy. This includes getting the understanding of the components like architecture, user roles, security. Third, mobile device selection. After a thorough discussion whether to go for a smartphone, tablet, or any other device. Next comes the proper evaluation and selection of a well-suited business intelligence tool for your business. Lastly, mobile application development in cooperation with the users who will be actually using it, because any software is only as good as its users think it is. I hope we have given you some beautiful insights on using business intelligence in mobile applications. If you still have some questions, you can directly reach us. Till then, keep following for the latest tech updates.